Forget Botox. This powerful ginger recipe naturally erases wrinkles and firms skin for a youthful glow. Our first powerhouse ingredient today is ginger, a natural miracle for youthful, radiant skin. Peel fresh ginger carefully. Ginger is loaded with powerful antioxidants and compounds like gingerol that boost collagen, fight fine lines, improve circulation, deeply nourish the skin, promote a youthful, radiant glow, and protect against environmental damage for healthier skin over time. Now grate the peeled ginger finely. Grating helps release its natural juices, which are rich in anti-inflammatory properties that reduce puffiness and restore elasticity, while deeply nourishing the skin and enhancing its natural glow for a healthier appearance. Place a clean medical gauze over a bowl to prepare for straining. This ensures we extract the pure essence without unwanted fibers, preserving all the active nutrients and powerful compounds of the ginger, so you get the maximum benefits for smooth, youthful, and radiant skin. Pour the grated ginger onto the gauze, then press firmly. We want to collect the concentrated juice packed with skin-rejuvenating benefits. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Keep the leftover ginger pulp in a separate dish. Don't throw it away. Later in this video, I'll show you how to use it for something amazing. Our next ingredient, rose water. Measure 50 milliliters. Rose water is famous for soothing irritation, balancing pH, and hydrating the skin naturally. Add the ginger extract to the rose water. This blend brightens skin, reduces redness, and delivers a refreshing effect. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch not only helps thicken the cream for a richer texture, but also absorbs excess oil, soothes the skin, and leaves it feeling soft, smooth, and naturally matte, giving your skin a refreshed, radiant look. Pour the mixture into a pan and place it on low heat. Stir constantly and gently until it thickens into a smooth, luxurious cream. This slow heating process activates ginger's powerful antioxidants, enhances its natural benefits, and ensures all ingredients blend perfectly for maximum skin nourishment and anti-aging effects. Carefully transfer the thickened cream into a clean plate or shallow dish. Spread it evenly if needed so it cools uniformly. Allow it to rest and cool slightly at room temperature before moving to the next step, ensuring the texture is perfect and all the nourishing properties are preserved for maximum benefit. Now for flax seeds, our next anti-aging secret. Place 2 tablespoons into a small pot, and while you do that, write to us in the comments where you're watching from. Add 200 milliliters water, then heat while stirring continuously. Flax seeds release a natural gel full of omega-3s and lignans that plump skin and smooth wrinkles, deeply nourishing and protecting your skin for a radiant, youthful glow. Pour the mixture into a cup, then strain it with clean gauze. Press well to collect the gel. This gel is highly moisturizing and firming, rich in nutrients that restore skin elasticity, smooth fine lines, and leave your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and youthful. Straining carefully allows us to capture every drop of the flaxseed gel's richness. This pure essence is deeply moisturizing, firms the skin, and adds a unique smoothness you'll feel instantly, a gentle boost for your natural glow. Now add the flax gel to our ginger rose water mixture, blending gently for a hydrating, anti-aging effect. Next, gently add 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil to nourish and replenish your skin. Then add 1 tablespoon of glycerin, or for an extra boost, simply include 1 vitamin E capsule. These ingredients deeply hydrate, protect, and restore your skin's natural softness and radiance. Use a hand blender to mix gently until the cream becomes silky smooth. This luxurious texture delivers deep hydration, firms the skin, and leaves it feeling soft, radiant, and rejuvenated. Transfer your cream into a clean glass jar and store it in the fridge for up to 1 week. For optimal results, apply in gentle circular motions at night for 1 hour, 3 times per week. With regular use, your skin will become noticeably firmer, brighter, and radiantly youthful, giving you that healthy, glowing complexion. Now let's prepare the exfoliator, a crucial step for radiant skin. First up, nutrient-rich flax seeds. Grind 2 tablespoons of flax seeds into a fine powder. This natural powder works gently to exfoliate dead skin cells, while delivering powerful nutrients and antioxidants that help nourish and rejuvenate your skin for a healthier, radiant glow. Flax seeds also improve skin elasticity and hydration, giving you a youthful, smooth complexion. Place the ground flaxseed into a small bowl. Now add the leftover ginger pulp we saved earlier. Gently mix in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Its natural crystals work to polish your skin, remove dead cells, and boost circulation for a healthy glow. Next, add more flaxseed powder to the mix. This boosts exfoliation while delivering powerful anti-aging benefits for softer, firmer, and more radiant skin. Finally, our star ingredient, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, olive oil deeply nourishes, protects, and restores the skin barrier while adding a silky texture. Stir gently until all ingredients blend into a luxurious scrub. To use, gently massage the scrub onto your face and hands for 3 to 4 minutes, using circular motions. This not only exfoliates dead skin cells, but also boosts circulation for a healthier glow. Do this before applying the ginger cream recipe to ensure maximum absorption and visible results. Rinse with lukewarm water, then apply the cream. For optimal results, use the scrub once a week and the cream 3 times per week. Enjoyed this? Subscribe, like, and comment where you're watching from.